guys, welcome to East Indian. And so today we're going to show you how to make power balls, like laddu things. And they have lots of nuts in it. Try one. This is very tasty. It's a little bit sweet because like the dates, and yeah, I can make it, you can make it. It's so simple.
Some pitted dates. These are California dates, about 283 grams. You can grab it from your local store. We've got cashews, blanched almonds, so really easy. Just soak them in water, then remove the peel. If you've got some other nuts, you can add like walnuts, pecans. We are using some Brazil nuts, and they are really good source of magnesium and zinc, full of nutrition. And we've also got some dried unsweetened coconut. You can also use sweet coconut if you like. All we're gonna do is put everything in our blender, and it's going to be amazing. Right, you can see everything is well blended. Now we are just going to pour it in a plate and we'll put it all together. Steps here are: blend is ready. I'm gonna just take a small amount. Now this requires a little patience, but we can do it. All right. Soft, melt in your mouth. Your delicious treat is ready. Let's get few of these done. You can make them as big or small as you want. Super healthy, nutritious, delicious. There your laddus are all good to go.